In this video, we're going to talk about Phemex, which is one of the biggest crypto exchanges still left in the game. Obviously, nothing I say on this channel is
financial advice. Always go away and do your own research before investing any money.
Let's dive into it. Jumping across to the Phemex website then, guys, which as always is linked down below in the description. You can see the most efficient crypto trading and investment platform. One of the biggest exchanges in crypto with huge daily volumes and tons of key features. Before we dive into that though, I want to talk about something really important in this current crypto climate, and that is this Phemex Merkle Tree Proof of Reserves. Now, obviously, you've probably heard about FTX recently. FTX was the second biggest crypto exchange, and it obviously went under by not having the funds, etc., that it said it did. So it's essential that you start looking into these companies and do your due diligence to make sure you're protecting yourself, guys, because no one else is going to do it for you. So this information down here is telling us that Phemex have got their proof of their funds. They are showing where their reserves are held, how much the reserves are, and all the things and all the essential information you need to know before safely using their exchange. Now, guys, it says on this page here that if you go through, you can get an exclusive bonus here of $4,050, which is obviously not small. But if you go through that link down in the description, an exclusive opportunity from this video only is that you could potentially win $10,000. All you got to do, guys, is stick your email address in below once you've set up your Phemex account, and then you can be in with a chance of winning that amazing bonus. Coming down through, guys, you can see a lot of information from the people who've been using this platform here and how much they enjoy using it because of the user interface and all the other features. Obviously, with an exchange of this size, guys, you're going to expect to see huge amounts of trading volume, all the cryptocurrencies that you can want to ever own. So you can do things like spot trading, you can do leverage trading. There's all sorts of different ways in which you can benefit from using a platform like this, and it's great to be able to do it all in one place. They also offer 0 fees on spot trading, which is really cool, especially as we move into this new bull market and there's lots of opportunity to turn small amounts of money into potentially large amounts of money if you don't have to worry about the fees. We make crypto trading easy. All you got to do, guys, create the account, buy crypto, which you can do from the platform, or you can transfer crypto across from somewhere else, and then just start trading, guys, with up to 100x leverage. Obviously, be very cautious for using leverage. I wouldn't recommend anyone really to use 100x, especially if you're new to trading. So what you can see about the product, guys, they've got 151 contract pairs, huge discounted fees, and one-click copy trading. Copy trading is a great way to benefit from crypto trading experts who have been in the game for years. All you got to do is click a few buttons and you can copy them as they make their trades on a daily basis, earning a passive income. An amazing way to go and earn. So make sure you go and check that out, guys. The most rewarding spot market with 272 spot pairs and lots of different ways in which you can do it. What else is really cool, guys, is they have a crypto gem launchpad. What I like about these is these are new tokens. It gives you the information about them, but more importantly, they've already been vetted by the Phemex team, so you know that these are already reliable platforms or reliable coins, and they're not likely to carry the scams and risks of investing in other cryptos that you may have heard about on YouTube or somewhere else. Another opportunity to make passive income is through Phemex Earn, where you can stake in their launch pools for APYs as high as 436%, generate stable incomes with crypto savings accounts, profit from real world outcomes with prediction markets. Lots and lots of stuff going on here, as you would imagine, and you can take it with you anywhere you go. You don't just have to have it on desktop. You can get it from the App Store or on the Google Play Store and carry it with you in a handy, tidy mobile app where you get the Phemex wallet security system as well as certified legitimacy. And there's different versions available, from the safe version. You've then got the super version with high performance, 365 days a year, 24-hour system. And as well as that, simple trading, effortless earning, through spot trading and things like that. And as you can see here, they interact with some of the biggest names in crypto. Loads and loads of cool stuff going on with Phemex. So come across, guys, go through that link down below in the description. If you want to win that $10,000, all you got to do is move across to Phemex, deposit yourself $100, and then trade $1,000 to be in with the chance of winning $10,000. Now, you can obviously do that through things like copy trading and stuff like that if you're inexperienced at trading, or through spot trading. So don't worry too much about moving into futures and leverage trading if you are not sure about it. So in summary, guys, Phemex is one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges out there in the world at the moment. They're very transparent and have declared all of their assets and where all their assets are, which is essential in the time of FTX and all the recent dramas we've had in crypto. If you want to go and find out more, guys, everything I've talked about is in the link down below in the description, along with those bonuses and the chance to enter that $10,000 giveaway. If you enjoyed today's video, guys, make sure you smash that thumbs up button And if you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about crypto trading, NFTs, Web3, and so much more, make sure you hit that subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.